Here I am on my way to Central Park. My bird watching class is this morning. I signed up for this class to watch birds in Central Park, and it's from the Museum of American Natural History right here in New York, and we meet here on the corner of Central Park West and 77th Street. And I've got my binoculars. Rick loaned them to me, and I gotta buy some real ones today. Anyway, I gotta run because I'm late. All right.
Yeah, like during the really has a short
Well, it's a chimney swift, folks. You might see it flying by over on this side. Chimney swift, you guys get a glimpse?
Bill he has. Where is that? Sure. A lot of flowers. Come on, Larry. I know, I got this. I know. I can't fool you.
Yes, smart.
But you can see the, I'm really scared. The colors, the yellow and the red, you can see it so clearly.
Yeah.
Came to look for the orchard oriole. Yeah, so I think we've had a so-so day on the bird hunt in Central Park this morning. We saw a, what was it, a green heron and a great egret and sparrows, of course, like always, and curio, some warblers. We never did find that orchard oriole by Bethesda Fountain that we were told about. So some great woodpeckers, though. Yeah, I think that's the thing about this bird watching. It always seems to be like about the big birds, you know, about the falcons and the herons and, you know, the screech owl. Whenever we see one of those, it's like, wow, you know, you've really seen something. A squirrel? Nah, no big shakes. Another day in the park.